In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Todoist with Google Calendar. This process is essential for seamlessly integrating your tasks across platforms, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Let's dive straight into the process. To get started, open your web browser and type in app-todoist.com/of/login. This will lead you to the Todoist login page, where you'll need your credentials to access your account. It's crucial to have your login information handy at this stage. Once you're on the page, go ahead and enter your credentials. First, type in your email address, the one associated with your Todoist account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password carefully. Accuracy here is crucial to prevent any unnecessary login attempts that might lock you out of your account for a certain period. Now, if you prefer a quicker login process, you have the option to click Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. This method uses existing information from these accounts for a seamless login experience. Once logged in, find and click on your avatar located in the top left corner of the page. This action will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can tweak your Todoist preferences and personalize your experience. Next, we're going to switch our attention to the Calendars tab. Click this option to proceed with linking your Google Calendar. Within this interface, you will see an option labeled Connect Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on it, and a new window will prompt you to allow permissions. This step is crucial because it makes sure Todoist and Google Calendar can communicate seamlessly. Therefore, check the required permission boxes, authorizing Todoist to access your calendar details. Once the permissions are granted, you'll need to choose which calendars you want to display in Todoist. This feature allows you to consolidate your schedules, showing only the calendars that are meaningful and relevant to your tasks. At this point, make sure to review your options and select the ones you rely on the most. To ensure that your tasks are synced with Google Calendar, toggle on the Sync Tasks to Calendar option. By doing this, any tasks scheduled in Todoist will appear on your Google Calendar, just like any other event. This feature is great for visualizing your tasks alongside regular calendar events. Additionally, don't forget to toggle on the Sync All Day Tasks option to include tasks that have only a specified date and not a particular time. This way you won't miss out on tasks that are day specific but not time bound. By following these steps, you'll successfully sync your Todoist account with Google Calendar, making your task management smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.